Hi, I'm Luis Vicente. I'm applying for the project management track internship at SIM, but I'm not just here to talk about Jira boards and timelines. I'm here to talk about the bridging gap between the product vision and the engineering execution. I am a incoming fourth year college at the University of Santo Tomas. I specialize in information systems, and my academic focus hasn't just been on theory. It's been about understanding how enterprise level systems are built, deployed, and managed under real world constraints. I believe the best project managers don't just delegate tasks, they understand the stack. When you understand how a backend communicates with a front end, you stop guessing about technical roadblocks. You can anticipate friction before it derails a sprint. For the past year, I served as a software engineering project manager. I oversaw the full life cycle of a development project, handling everything from the WBS or work breakdown structures and the risk management frameworks to the final validation stages or boards. In that role, my priority was creating an actionable and feasible plan. It taught me how to balance climate requirements, client requirements with what the engineering team could actually deliver within strict academic deadlines, ensuring we maintained team velocity. I stepped into a more specialized role as a chapter lead for a supply chain system after that project. I directed the end-to-end development of a point of sale module, which served as the core integration point for the entire architecture. Because I have hands-on experience with technologies like React, PostgreSQL, Node.js, I can act as as an effective translator. I can communicate complex database schema constraints to non-technical stakeholders without losing the core business values. But technical skills aren't enough without human management. I served as the director of the Students' Rights and Welfare Committee for the UST ICS Student Council, where I had to manage a diverse team of student leaders. In the council, I learned how to allocate staff duties based on skill sets of the committee members, and I enhanced our organizational manpower for major academic events by putting the right people in the right roles. I even combined these two worlds by helping build a student organizational portal. It is a web based management platform to handle events, planning, and constituency check, and even tracking for direct addressing of operational pain points. And of course, as being a experienced director. Beyond web apps, my portfolio includes building data heavy tools like financial analytics dashboard, and an automated data pipeline. These projects taught me how important data validation is, and real-time monitoring, and especially optimizing system performance. Building these systems independently taught me how to mostly project myself as a project manager to, of course, scope the creep in the enemy of our delivery if you don't define clear requirements and boundaries early on. Even the best engineering team will fail to ship code to the stakeholders. That brings us to why I want to intern at SIMP. You aren't just a traditional corporate agency. You move fast, you value modern engineering practices, and you build digital products with a genuinely human centric approach. SIMP's culture of rapid experimentation and agile delivery is exactly the environment I want to grow in. I want to learn how your seasoned technical project managers balance aggressive deployments, timelines without burning out their developers. I want to be tested and thrown into the mix. I want to learn how SIMP orchestrates delivery under actual project pressures, how you navigate shifting client expectations, and how you manage trade offs to keep momentum high. If accepted, I aim to master agency level agile workflows. I want to refine my risk assessment capabilities and become exceptional at identifying hidden dependencies before they even become blockers for the delivery team. Project management isn't about micromanagement or just chasing Jira tickets. It's about removing friction. My goal at SIMP is to empower developers, clear their roadblocks, and ensure they have exactly what they need to write great code. What I bring to SIMP on day one is active ownership. I bring a structured approach to planning, a deep empathy to the engineering process, and the ability to facilitate clear cross-functional communication. My long-term aspiration is to lead complex software deployments and digital transformations. This internship at SIMP is the perfect catalyst to bridge my academic foundation with elite real-world execution. And lastly, I want to help SIMP build exceptional software, and I want to learn from the best while doing it. So thank you for taking your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your delivery teams in the future.